Homegrown veggies like these don't happen by chance. They start with a perfect mix. Today, we'll share our tui tips for growing bigger, tastier and more abundant veggies at home. Start by digging in tui compost and a good sprinkling of tui organic sheet pellets. Adding this organic matter will condition and nurture your soil for the growing season ahead. Prepare for planting with a perfect mix. Add a layer of tui vegetable mix to your garden bed, digging this in lightly. Tui vegetable mix provides a stronger start for your plants, including a starter fertilizer to encourage root development and essential nutrients to support ongoing growth. Choose a sunny, sheltered location for your veggies with easy access for watering. It's important to choose crops that are suited to your climate, and even more important to choose varieties that you'll enjoy eating. Read plant labels carefully to ensure you have the space you'll need for planting. Give your seedlings a good soak in tui organic seaweed tonic before planting to help prevent transplant shock and kickstart root growth. Dig a planting hole twice the depth of the plant's root ball and keep a note of your spacing to ensure each seedling has the space to thrive. Gently loosen the root ball and place your veggie seedling in the centre of the hole, firmly pressing the tui vegetable mix around the plant stem. Once in the ground, give your seedlings a good watering to settle them in and prevent wilting. Vegetable plants benefit from ongoing feeding, particularly during the growth season. Regular plant feeding is essential to replace the soil nutrients that have already been absorbed as the plants grow and will encourage bigger, tastier, more abundant crops. Tui Veggie and Herbs Liquid Superfood provides fast action feeding and is an easy way to fertilise your plants. Boosted with nutrients and seaweed, Tui Liquid Superfood promotes healthy plant and root growth. Simply use the measuring cap to add Tui Liquid Superfood to your watering can at the rate recommended on pack. Water in over the plant's foliage and the soil, giving them a good soak. We recommend feeding with Tui Liquid Superfood every 1 to 2 weeks while the plants are actively growing to get the best results. Continue to regularly water your plants, either early or late in the day to avoid the heat of the sun. Check regularly for pests and diseases. Slugs, snails and other pests can ravage young plants. A sprinkling of tui quash around your garden bed can help deter these pests. The best part of gardening is this: harvesting a bowl of homegrown veggies to enjoy. Pick your vegetables as they mature, either by harvesting the entire plant or by progressively picking leaves from cut and come again varieties. The perfect ending starts with the perfect beginning. Take the guesswork out of growing tastier, more abundant veggies by starting with tui and a perfect mix. For more expert tips, gardening advice and growing guides, visit tuigarden.co.nz.